everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to make a super spooky Halloween ghost effect in CapCut. It's quick, easy, and perfect for your creepy edits. Okay, let's get started. First, just open CapCut, and then just create a new project and import your video. Adjust it however you like, and then just duplicate the clip like this, and then make it as an overlay. And then just place it above the main clip like this, and then tap on the overlay clip and then go to remove background, choose auto removal like this, and then just insert overlay again, and then just import a spooky ghost image like this, and then just go to remove background again, and then cut out auto removal, adjust the size, for example like this. And then to make it look more realistic, just tap on opacity, and then just lower it a bit so the ghost becomes transparent, for example like this. And then just position the ghost in a corner of your screen, and then with a keyframes, just make it small at the beginning, for example like this, this will make the ghost slowly appear behind you. And then if the ghost show up in front of the object, just pick the layer, just go to layer, and then just send to back so it's behind the main video like this. Select your main clip and then go to effects and then video effects, and then choose or search scary, and then just choose the effect that something dark or glitchy. For example, I will choose spooky camera, and then just adjust the effect as you like. Like this. And then let's add an effect to your body. I will add effect begins in here, and then just go to effect and video effects, and then just search for scary again, and then choose horror clown like this, and then go to objects, and then choose overlay, first overlay, this one,
strawberry refresher. But yesterday I came here because
like this, and then adjust the durations until the end like this, and okay, your video will look like this.
Starbucks, you guys know I usually get the same thing, the strawberry refresher, but yesterday I came here because the fall drinks came out and I had the...
And okay, that's it, your quick and easy Halloween ghost effect in CapCut. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.